JEE Mains 21st January 2026 first shift. This question is saying for some alpha and beta belongs to R, let A matrix be this and B matrix be this, such that A square minus 4A plus 2I and equal to B square minus 3B plus I equal to 0 matrix. Then date of adjoint of A cube minus B cube whole square is equal to what? So the equation A square minus 4A plus 2I, this is equal to null matrix, and B square minus 3B plus I equal to null matrix. So first we will find out the A matrix and B matrix. So this is the characteristic equation. So this is trace. So 2 plus alpha equal to 4, that means alpha equal to 2, and this is beta plus 1, this is equal to 3, that means beta is also equal to 2. So the matrix is A equal to 2, 2, 1, 2, and the matrix B is equal to, this is 1, 1, 1 and 2. Now we have to find out this expression. The matrix A cube, what will be this? This will be when we divide A cube by A square minus 4A plus 2I, then the remainder will be A cube. So first divide, so A into A square means A cube, and the others will be remainder, that is 4A square minus 2A. This, then dividing this expression by this, so this is 4 into A square and this is 16A minus, and this is 8I. So this is plus 16A and this is minus 8I. So this is plus 14A and minus 8I. So the A cube, that is equal to 14A. 14A means 14 into this. So this is 28, 28, 14 and 28 and minus 8I means 8008. So from here we get, this is 20, this is 28 and this is 14 and this is 20 again. Okay. Now to find the B matrix, again we will divide B cube by this expression, B square minus 3B plus I. So B cube, and we are dividing B square minus 3B plus I. So B means B cube and this is minus 3B square. So this will be plus 3B square and this is minus B. Again dividing this expression by this. So this is 3 into B square minus 9B and this is plus 3I. So after subtracting plus 9B and plus minus 1B, this is 8B, and after that this is minus 3I. This will be 3I. So what was the B matrix? 1, 1, 1, 2. So this is equal to 8, 1, 1, 1. This is 16 minus 3003. Okay. So this is equal to 5, 8, 8 and 13. So this is A cube and B cube. So A cube minus B cube. What is A cube minus B cube? This is 20, 28. 20 means 15 and this is 28 means 20. After that this is 14, 14, 6 and 20 minus 13, that means 7. So we have to find out the determinant of adjoint of A and then this whole square. So the determinant of adjoint of A, because this is a 2 cross 2 matrix, the adjoint determinant of adjoint and the determinant of this matrix A cube minus B cube will be same. So that means this is 105 minus 120 and then whole square, that means this is minus 15 whole square. So this is 225. So answer will be 225. Okay. I hope you have understood this. Thanks. Bye bye.